questions?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome back to Studio 701. Every week we like to feature area clubs and nonprofits in our area to let people know things that they can do.
And today we have a popular one for all those interested in learning. Janet Rosario is here from Gateway to Science. Thank you so much for joining us today, Janet.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Now, first of all, tell us a little bit about what Gateway to Science is all about.
Well, Gateway to Science is a science center here in Bismarck. We provide programming, and we have an exhibit gallery here. And we are just a great science center for the community to come and visit us.
And you brought marshmallows, which makes me very happy.
I did, yes.
Now, a lot of people like to take their kids to Gateway to Science. I think you recognize Jeff from earlier. What can people expect right now with regards to COVID-19 and some of the restrictions that are placed on businesses?
Yes. So because of COVID, we've had to do a lot of modifications and changes, but we are open. We've been open since May. We did have a very successful summer camp. We reduced our numbers. We had a lot of cleaning in place. We were masked, social distancing, but it was a very successful summer camp. And we have a lot of programming throughout the fall. We have our club starting next week as our after school club. We have our Girls Who Code Club for girls to learn coding starting in October. We have our exhibit gallery is open, so we're welcoming guests every day. We have our annual fundraiser coming in November. So we're going to have our Einstein on Wine online this year due to COVID. So we just have a lot of things going on. We're open and we're happy that we can serve the community.
And we're looking right now at a lot of the hands-on projects that you have there.
Yes.
You know, the website does offer STEM at home projects.
Yes.
As a way to continue throughout, you know, a pandemic.
Right. That's something that we started during COVID, and we're going to continue doing it because it's a great resource for the community. So we add activities every week for the older kids, for younger kids. So it's a great resource to have, and we're going to continue to do it.
Great. And you brought an engineering activity for us to do. Let's do it.
So this engineering design challenge is just an example of one of the activities that we do during clubs and camps. We're going to be using only marshmallows and spaghetti.
More marshmallows.
So I know, what a coincidence. So the challenge is to build the tallest tower.
Okay.
In how much time do we have? 2 minutes maybe?
Yeah,
in 2 minutes.
Yep.
Okay. Just using marshmallows and spaghetti. So I'm going to time you guys, and at the end I'm going to measure. So the tallest tower wins.
Oh my gosh, like we're going against each other right now?
Yes.
Okay. You know what's scary?
I know Amber's really competitive.
I'm a communications major.
So whenever you're
you learn I'm a political science
on
major,
three. Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
3.
All right, here we go.
So you can use the supplies
I will
any
tell you
way
that I'm
you
glad
want.
it is not
I will give you a hint though.
Because that would get interesting.
The strongest foundation.
It has to be a strong foundation. Okay.
That's
a good
life
start.
though, right? If you have a strong foundation.
That's everything. Yes, a strong foundation, and then you build up from there.
Okay.
I'll take my real estate plug. Always buy a house that has a strong foundation.
Yes. And I'll give you another hint. The strongest shapes are triangles and squares.
Okay, triangles and
with
squares.
the hints, Janet.
Okay.
No, I know. I'm like, wait,
Since I'm
what's
at
happening?
Gateway to Science
I'm trying to do more
all
quickly.
the time with my little guys, I have a bit of an advantage.
Yeah, you do.
And you're taking it away.
Yeah, I know.
Just wait, Amber.
Just wait. This is going to pay off. This is going to pay off.
Oh, my goodness. What is happening over there?
Oh, my God.
Okay, I had it. I'll get it. This is like camping. It's the, I have the camping advantage, Jeff, that you don't.
So this is just one of the examples of the activities that we do during camp.
Breaking on me.
And we do a lot of modifications. So we'll do height, we'll do a weight. So who has the tallest tower, and we'll put a weight on it to see if it is load bearing, or we'll add a monetary component. So they have a budget, they have to worry about cost of supplies and things like that. So these are all skills that kids learn while having fun.
Right.
Problem solving, critical thinking, creativity. It's those important skills that we try to incorporate in everything that we do. 30 seconds.
I know. I'm like, if I get it to stand.
Yeah, I was going to say, if I can just get mine to stand for the next 30 seconds, I think I've got you. But I don't know if that's going to happen.
Yeah.
If you're watching at home and not in the studio,
there's pressure that goes along with this.
I mean...
10 seconds.
Okay, 10 seconds. Here we go.
So everyone knows there are 8 people staring at us right now.
It's okay. The kids
Max
at home.
Graham, I'm going to do you guys proud.
Yeah, the kids at home.
Oh,
we're done.
Hurry up.
So we're going to measure. Okay, we'll move on. Ooh, okay. I think Jeff won.
I think Jeff won. I think mine tipped over, but I think I was really close.
Maybe
to
with more
having it.
time. We do give the kids more time when we
Okay.
have these activities.
Okay.
Yes.
More thought.
There's more thought. There's
Perhaps going into it than
some
just
engineering.
jamming it. Yeah.
Yes. There's
Okay.
some design process and
I
engineering,
actually
yeah.
like that you had them all together.
I mean, I was trying for the campfire like sticks sticking together thing,
I see
but
that.
yeah, it didn't quite
And
pay
then it
off.
burned up
Yeah.
on you.
Okay, we have to talk about the new Gateway to Science building
Yes.
really quickly. We don't have a ton of time, but
Yes.
where are you in the campaign right now?
So the campaign is going well,
Yeah.
and our plan is to open end of next year.
All right.
Yeah, the new building is going to be incredible. We have so many exhibits coming. Science Museum of Minnesota is helping us develop those exhibits. We're going to have transportation, energy, health, weather. We're going to have laboratory classrooms, and the new building is going to allow us to serve more students, more guests, more than the 40,000 that we serve already. So it's going to be incredible.
Excited.
Fantastic.
I'm going to
Yes.
come back and practice this a little more. All right.
Thanks.
Thank you so
Janet,
much.
You're
thank you
welcome. Thanks for
being
having
here.
me.
For more information, check out gatewaytoscience.org.
This has been Know Your Nonprofit. Also, keep it here coming up on Studio 701.